Once upon a time, in the picturesque landscapes of Andorra, nestled high in the Pyrenees Mountains, there lived a young boy named Mateu. Growing up in a charming village surrounded by green valleys and snow-capped peaks, Mateu's childhood was a tapestry of mountain adventures and the vibrant culture that defined the heart of Andorra. In Mateu's village, traditions were as enduring as the mountains themselves. Every winter, families would gather for lively festivals, where the air was filled with the sounds of traditional music and the aroma of hearty mountain cuisine. The warmth of the fireplace echoed the close-knit bonds of the community. One day, as Mateu explored the ancient cobblestone streets, he stumbled upon a hidden entrance beneath an old stone bridge. To his surprise, this secret passage led to a magical garden where flowers bloomed in the snow-kissed soil and the air was filled with the sweet melodies of mountain birds. In this enchanting garden, Mateu encountered a wise mountain goat named Lluc. Lluc spoke of the deep connection between the people of Andorra and the majestic mountains that cradled their homes. Through stories of bravery and resilience, Mateu learned about the importance of preserving the natural beauty of Andorra for future generations. Inspired by Lluc's tales, Mateu became a steward of the environment. Together with his friends, they organized community cleanup initiatives, planting flowers and protecting the pristine lakes that mirrored the mountain peaks. Mateu's actions became a source of pride for the village, teaching everyone the significance of living in harmony with nature. As the seasons changed, Mateu's village transformed into a tapestry of colors. Autumn leaves rustling in the mountain breeze, and wildflowers painting the meadows in spring. The magical garden beneath the stone bridge flourished, becoming a symbol of the villagers' commitment to preserving their natural heritage. And so, in the heart of Andorra, Mateu's story unfolded like the pages of a storybook, a tale of environmental stewardship, community bonds, and the magical connection between the people and the mountains they called home.